These cookies were definitely as good as they look. They were all gone in one day. Stay tuned to see how I made them. First, I am starting by washing my hands, of course. At this point, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Now I am going to mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Once you've got that mixed, go ahead and place it to the side and grab 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg yolk only, and 4 tablespoons of butter or 1/2 a stick of butter. Once you got all of those ingredients into your mixing bowl, you just want to go ahead and mix this very well until everything is combined, and you see that it will turn into this brownish caramel type of color and consistency. This is what you want to look for, guys. Once you got that combined very well, you want to go ahead and add your flour in increments. Now, I always add my flour in increments because if you add it all together, it's really hard to get everything fully incorporated, and I always end up with clumps and lumps in my cookies when I do it that way. So I choose to do it this way to get a better result. That my flour was a little thick, so I went ahead and added 1 tablespoon of almond milk to this, and guys, this took it over the top. It was delicious. The recipe calls for 1/3 cup of M&Ms. You're going to use half of those M&Ms now inside of your batter, and then go ahead and place the rest of those to the side, and I will show you guys what we will be doing with those at the end of the video. It's hard to stir in these M&Ms just as it would be if you were using chocolate chips in this recipe. So always fold the candy into your batter. It's so much easier than trying to stir this or mix it together. Once you've got your M&Ms incorporated, I'm going to show you guys a very simple way for you guys to cut these and transfer them. So first, you just want to flatten your cookie dough out in the bottom of your mixing bowl, and then take your spatula and just make your cuts for the cookie sizes that you would like. Once you're done with this, all you have to do is pick up this dough and transfer it over to your cookie sheet. Make sure that when you place your cookies on your cookie sheet that you leave spaces in between each cookie, because these cookies will spread and you want them to have room to spread. Now you are going to take these cookies and place them on the bottom rack in your oven because you don't want them to brown too quickly on the top rack. So go ahead and place them there, and you are going to cook these for 11 minutes. They are looking and smelling delightful. Just stay tuned. Once you remove them from the oven, those M&Ms that I told you guys to save from earlier, you want to go ahead and grab those, and you want to press those M&Ms down into the tops of your cookie, as many or as little as you would like. This is completely up to you. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and allow these cookies to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then they're ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been awesome making these cookies, and like I said earlier in this video, these cookies were gone within 24 hours. I believe I made like 14 cookies out of this dough. It was gone, y'all. Like, I could not stop eating them. They are that good. So if you guys also enjoyed this video, or if you made this recipe and it was great, let me know in the comments. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I post another video such as this. So have a wonderful and amazingly blessed day, you guys, and stay tuned for more videos.